What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Your boy is back again for another video. As you guys can see, we have the beautiful 5.0 in the background, looking good as always. If you guys are new, this is my 2018 Mustang GT 6-speed MT82 performance package. And if you guys are basically into any car related stuff, car vlogs, car installs, car meets, car races, hey, hit that subscribe button, join the fam, like, comment, do what you guys got to do. I truly appreciate that, guys. We are growing little by little every day, but yeah, as you guys can see here, guys, we are here at a nice location. The sun is hitting just right on the car, the ruby red is popping, and I decided to make this video for you guys because I thought this video always, when it would pop up on my YouTube, I always thought it was pretty interesting. But back then I never had a Mustang, so I didn't really know if I could do that with my car. But now I'm gonna test out and then show you guys, if you guys are brand new to the whole Mustang community. So yeah, let's get started with this video. Let's see what amazing little hidden tricks that Ford doesn't tell us that we have in our car. So let's get it, boys. All right, you guys, so we're gonna start off with the first hidden little feature. If you guys are new, this is the new like S550 type key. As you guys can see right here, this is mostly like the 18s and up. 15 to 17 will be a little different than this one, but basically same thing. But a little cool feature I want to start off this video is that I never actually knew, and it's pretty dope when I actually saw one of my friends actually do it, and I see videos of like people actually doing it. Lock your guys' car first, unlock it next, then hold the unlock button just for a little longer. And let's see this. Look at that. Literally all the windows, both the windows literally just rolled down. That is super dope. Like, when does Ford tell us that we could do that? And like, maybe they do in the manual, but like, I don't read the manual. So, you know, I just thought that was a simple little cool little trick that like S550 owners can honestly do. Like I said, this is like the newer key fob, so the 15 through 17s is a little different, but it's literally the same thing. I've seen like guys and people do it with that. But yeah, that's the first little feature. I thought it was pretty cool. Maybe some of you guys might know about this, and maybe some others don't, but if you guys don't, then there you go, because that's pretty dope. Like, you could actually just roll down your windows just like that with your key fob. It's pretty sick. But let's get started with number 2, boys. Let's go behind here, and if you guys can see on the key fob, obviously you guys could unlock the trunk just like that. Click it twice, but I'm gonna show you guys another way. You guys actually go back here, right here on the bottom. As you guys can see, there's a little black one right here. There you go, same thing. Look at that, boys. I honestly didn't even know that. So like, I saw like I said, like those videos pop up on my YouTube, and I saw that hidden little feature. I thought it was always pretty cool because, you know, sometimes you go grocery shopping, go do whatever you got to do, and like your whole keys in your pocket, you can't really, you know, get it all out and this and that. You literally can just go back here, do like a normal simple car, hit it right here, and it unlocks. So there you guys go, another little hidden feature, which is pretty dope and pretty nice actually. All right, you guys, and going on with number 3, there is actually inside the car. I always wondered what it was, and that is actually this button right, this little, what would I say, like little tab opening, whatever. I never wanted to like touch it because I was like, I don't know if it's something else. But then, like I said, I started watching these videos, and it's literally just like for your sunglasses, I guess, or just like for some change, or you want to throw something in there that maybe fits in there. You got a little compartment literally right there. So I don't know, I have another little space of storage that you could actually store something right there if you really don't want it anywhere around the inside to be seen. So hey, that's pretty dope. For another little hidden feature, I don't know if you guys noticed, but so you guys see how it's actually beating? It literally beats, like it literally beats. And I guess that stands for like literally like the beating heart of like a Mustang, like an actual horse. So, and that I guess it's like 30 beats per minute. So I think that's honestly pretty cool. I always wondered like, why does it beat like that, like, and the car's not on? I always just thought it was pretty cool, but I never really took into like consideration what it really was. And I did some info on it, and it's actually for like an actual Mustang, and I guess that's like the beats per minute. So guys, I think that's a pretty dope little hidden feature that I don't know if you guys might know. I'm pretty sure you guys will notice this obviously at nighttime, and you guys just are chilling in here, literally not have the car turned on at all, and it literally just it's literally like beating. And I think that's like one of the dopest little features ever, honestly. All right, you guys, so starting on number 5, I believe, of a hidden trick. Turn on our car real quick, and this one actually is on the traction control button. Let's see right here. So if you guys go down here, you guys obviously, and it just depends, obviously, if you guys have a base model like this, if you guys have like a base model like mine, literally you guys will just get this simple emergency lights, traction control, and then the steering if you want it more stiff or more soft. But if you guys obviously have like the premium package, like the fully loaded one, you guys have the little switch knobs. But I guess it's basically the same thing. But basically, let's say we hit this one time, we go over here, there you guys can see traction control is off. But I guess if you guys actually like hold it, it takes advanced traction control off. So let's try that. And there you guys go. So then that says, actually the camera doesn't pick it up, but it says advanced track off. Guys, I don't know exactly what that might stand for, advanced track, and just regular, just, you know, traction control off. I personally don't really know, but hey, if you guys do know, and if you guys want to use it to your guys' ability, there you guys go. That is how you turn it off, and basically just how to turn it back on. It's literally the same exact thing. So yeah. Number 6, another little hidden trick. Just open the little centerpiece right here that you guys have. You guys actually have a little thing right here, like a holder that says pens, and I guess that's meant to like hold your pens. So like, I know like some of you guys are probably like on the road doing your guys' thing, and you guys got to sign off some checks, you guys gotta, you know, in papers, and you know, I usually just keep my, when I like have a pen, I have pens in there. But I guess that there's an actually, like, Ford makes an actual little clip holder for your pens, literally right in the middle. And I see that, I see like why. It's pretty smart, you know, just literally open it, you got your pens right here. But I honestly did not even know about that till, you know, till later on, like I said. But yeah, I mean, if you guys think like that's pretty dope and you guys can use it for your guys' advantage, there you guys go. Your boy's just trying to help you guys out. There is a little pencil holder for you guys right there. Let's get to this another little hidden fact. You guys see these little 3 lines right here? So basically those 3 lines means you either unlock it and you lock it. So let's say like I want to tap it. You guys hear that right there? It locks. So basically when you touch that little 3 whatever lines, it locks. It like locks the car, it locks the doors and whatever. And then when you want to unlock it, you know, get your hand, whatever. So you're gonna open it, you guys heard it right there, and it unlocks. So show you guys again. That's lock, you guys can hear it, unlock right there. So I don't know, I think that was pretty cool. I found out about that like right away when I got the car, because like you obviously hear that little unlock little sound, clicking sound that it makes. So I was like, you know, like what is that? So then I just started messing around with it, and like, you know, I just literally, I don't even take my key out to like unlock the car, just go up to it and just, you know, lock it or unlock it. So I think that's honestly pretty useful. I do that like every day, so that gets a thumbs up for me. But going off to number 8, basically you guys go to, you know, passenger side, open your stuff right there, and then you have this little yellow hook right here. Literally just push it, and then you have, you know, the owner's manual, got the little Mustang book right there, got some stuff right there. But yeah, it's literally like another little extra storage right there, like another little glove box. Maybe, you know, some of you guys didn't might know, but I feel like how you not gonna know when this bright yellow thing is just sticking out of there? I knew that right away, literally. But I just think it's cool because it's just little stuff that I personally don't even really use that I really could use, because I'm always talking about like sometimes like, man, there's not enough space. I'd be thinking in my car to like put this and that, but there really is. I just forget about all the little hidden stuff that Ford puts for us, man. Like they're trying to look out right now and we don't even pay attention. Well, if you're like me, you totally forget, like, man. But yeah, right, you guys, number 9, which is honestly to me probably super important. It was pretty important, it was pretty easy to find too, but it's super important for all you guys that want to like mod your car, tune it wise. I'm talking about like tuning wise, doing all that good stuff, make your car freaking faster than it already is. Basically, you're gonna have to find the port right here, which is literally right here. I have my tune in right there, but let's see if I can put the flash on for you guys. See if you guys can see it, hopefully. Literally right there, this one right there, guys. So that is literally what you guys, you know, put your guys' stuff for your tuners, all that stuff. I personally like found that out like right away. Obviously it's pretty common sense, you know, have it right there on the bottom. inside the car. But so all you guys that don't know, literally that's like literally the main piece that you need to connect to, you know, start tuning your car and making it as fast as you guys want. So that's pretty dope. That was a cool little feature right there that we literally have right next to us. Number 10, this is probably the last one I got for you guys, but let's say like your battery dies, for example, like on your key. Let's say like your remote just doesn't want to like unlock or, you know, do whatever, the battery's dying. There's actually this that I literally just like learned too off like a video. And literally, so you guys go right here, really take them off, whatever, and you literally put, let's see, let me put my flash on there, because there's like a little hole right there. So there's actually a little opening you guys can see right there. That little opening, let's say like like I said, your thing is dead, your key fob is dead, you literally put it in here, and you could literally start up the car like that. So let's say like it just can't start up, like it's reading something, the battery's dead. You do that, take off your little cup holding thing, put it right there, and I guess that there's actually like a little sensor in there that gives it like just a little bit of like, I don't know if it's like life or something, but gives it just enough just to start up the car for you, you know, while you get a new battery, you do what you got to do. And yeah, I thought that one was pretty cool. I just found that out actually, so hey, maybe you guys just found that out too. But let's go. That is 10 hidden features. Maybe you guys did know, maybe you guys didn't. If you guys are new to like this whole S550 platform, just like I am, I'm new to all this, so it's pretty dope to just have all these little hidden features and like tips all right there. So if I could find something out for you guys, I want to spread it out to all my new S550 owners and like 15 to 20. Like I said, guys, this does apply through years 15 to 20 Mustang GTs. I'm pretty sure it applies to like V6s and EcoBoost and all that, you know. It's like the same basic type of stuff like that, guys. So hey, there's room for all of us in here. But yeah, guys, I think it was just pretty cool. I wanted to make a video for you guys, you know, have something up for the week. Maybe, you know, some, like I said, new people are new to their whole car and they're finding out stuff. Literally, there's some little tips right there if you guys are interested, because your boy is out here giving out the secrets, man. Your boy's out here giving out the secrets. But yeah, hopefully you guys found out some pretty dope cars for you guys' S550s 15 to 20. And yeah, I truly appreciate it if you guys drop a fat like, comment, subscribe, join the fam. And your boy's back on the grind, so let's get it. And I'll see y'all in the next time. Peace.